Okay, you carry on.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, as per last session, we were on the server related thing, and I have told you how to do your hosting environment local to server that we are present. Like last class we were present. Like I think Anirban, you are there, no? Anirban, I'm here. Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Anirban is not there. Last class I have something so that you have to do the hosting from that from your server to local body will be act as a server. So that is server related things already have completed. So that's why whoever missed it, whoever new candidate is there. So don't worry, I will again repeat those things that you have missed, or you can go for the recorded session that sir provided. And now today I am going to start three things: that collection, and second thing that mapping, like web accessible, rotation, and Spring Boot. That's all from my side. Now I'm going to start from collection. So what is collection? Anyone in the group know collection? Collection framework. Anyone? Just try.
So collection is a group of data.
In Java, see, collection is a very big. Okay, you cannot see like we have two Java. Like we generally say core Java, and we have another advanced Java. So if you go to advanced Java, this is very big. Advanced Java and advanced Java, under advanced Java, the collection is from the collection framework. So collection framework is basically the combination, you can say the combination of interfaces and classes. So what is interfaces? So who are very new, so interfaces are something like abstract class, and we have definition. So very new, they just remember it is a combination of interface and classes. So basically combination of interface and classes. So what are the interfaces? Yeah, definitely we need to know what are the interfaces that are coming on the collection framework. So there are the list of interfaces are there. Like I can remember some of interface, and I will only teach those things that are only required for your programming purpose also, and also for your project purpose. I will not repeat anything like out of your syllabus. So we have interface like list. So basically in interviewer will ask what are in collection framework, what are the interfaces. So you can say the first interface is list. Second interface is what name? Set. Third one is queue. Fourth one, something like DQ. Something like DQ is there. Fifth is sorted set. It is sorted set. I am just right now giving what are the interfaces that are coming on the collection. Sorted set. Next is map. So 7 number map, like sorted map and enumeration. So this 7 is only required. Sorted map and 8 enumeration. So enumeration. So these are the interfaces of the collection framework. So basically interface what they are implemented by the class. So basically here the group of classes also there. So basically the collection classes we need to remember what are the core collection classes we have to remember. So core collection classes we have.
Sir, the screen has not visible.
Oh my God, कोई बोलना भी नहीं. Sir, Sunil sir. Sunil sir. अरे इतना कुछ कोई बोला ना. What you guys are doing?
Sir, the screen is not visible, sir.
Yes, not visible. You must say na, but it's still not visible. So right now visible. Hello, everyone visible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No.
not visible.
Sandeep, you can share the screen. It is enabled.
I have shared. Wait. Right now visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I was teaching that collection framework. So definition is that in the collection that like we have two courses, core Java and advanced Java. So in core Java, because it was not recording, I am reporting now. In core Java, basically what I have learned, interface, exception, whatever their classes, object and all. So it is basically come under the core Java. But there is one more section that is advanced Java. So basically, who are very new, they will get the session of core Java from me also. The recorded session, I will also taking the core Java session. You can attend that. Right now, I am teaching as advanced Java portion because it is not teaching by anyone still. So advanced Java is basically what it is basically a huge portion of collection framework. So what is collection framework?
Recording in progress.
Okay. Right now visible. Hello. Actually, my net is going slow now.
Yes,
Sorry
sir.
for that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I was that at advanced Java. I have a collection framework. The collection of the combination of interface and classes. So interface classes already in core Java I have took. So I'm not repeating. So what are the list of interface? So list of interface are like list, set, queue, dequeue, sorted list, set, map, and sorted map and enumeration. So basically in the out of it, we are only consider list, set, map. This is only coming. And now what are the core collection classes is there? So core collection classes we have, so like first core collection classes is abstract collection. Many of you are not even listen these terms, abstract collection. And now second thing, abstract list. These all are the classes. They are not interface. So please focus. The huge difference between the interface and class. So abstract list. Now I have the abstract sequential list. Sequential list. Fourth one, I have abstract list and linked list, array list. So these are the basically linked list. So these are the classes. Fifth one, array list, and array DQ and array set. So basically 6 are there.
Hello, sir.
Bolo.
Sir, in which version it came, sir? In JDK, which version it came, sir?
What?
In JDK, which version it came?
JDK 1.8.
1.8, sir.
Now come to linked has set and linked has met. So basically you have to remember, basically in the interviewer, they generally ask what are the interfaces of the collection framework and what are the classes. Can you see? So these are the, I'm giving the more enough classes. You don't have to go there much, but I am writing down and I will come one by one, each and everything. 9 is preset. See, collection is very huge, very huge. Even one topic will take 2 classes.
Sir,
Like that.
sir, what is number 8?
Oh, sorry. The link has set and number line is preset. And then there's like abstract map, has map and tree. As map and tree map. And I don't think any other term is there. So these all are enough for right now for the collection. So one by one I will come. I will come first to interface. What is interface? Into the list. Then I will come to the second, our most important thing, that is array list, and then I will come to each and every. So generally the abstract list, under the abstract list, I'm just focusing on the number 5 point, abstract list. So that abstract list like that. Abstract list under this.
Sir, number 5 array list.
Oh, sorry. Number 2 abstract list. No? So under the array list is here. So suppose what is function? First of all, I will come to array list because it is much more required in your programming. So what is array list? First of all, we need to consider, and what is the
Hello,
array
sir.
list and what are the uses of array list? Yes, बोलो.
सर आपने और एक चीज छोड़ दी सर. आपने तो लिगासी क्लास को पूरा छोड़ दिए. लिगासी क्लास तो ऐड नहीं किया आपने.
देखो लेगेसी में अभी हम जाएंगे नहीं. बेसिकली मैं अभी प्रोग्रामिंग सिखाने जा रहा हूँ. लेगेसी के बाद में आऊंगा. मैंने जो लिखा है पे
लिगासी में तो बहुत सारा कोडिंग भी होता है. लिगासी क्लास तो हम लोग यूज भी करते हैं रियल टाइम एनवायरनमेंट में, लाइक रियल टाइम प्रोजेक्ट में.
होता है. मैं अभी नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूँ, बाद में पढ़ा दूंगा. बाद में पढ़ा दूंगा भाई.
एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट
अभी
लिस्ट
थोड़ी
क्या
ना,
है
अभी तो
सर?
स्टार्ट ही हुआ है.
सर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट लिस्ट क्या है?
लिस्ट है जिसको array list, ये array list को एक्सटेंड करता है. abstract list, I will come to that.
Array list
It is similar to the array list. Array list इसको एक्सटेंड करता है. It is similar architecture of the abstract list.
सर मुझे एक बात पता है सर, वो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट लिस्ट एक इंटरफेस है या क्लास है?
No, it is a class. It is not interface. whatever the interface I have written, 8 interfaces are there, and these all are the classes. So the array
And
list
आपने
is
जो
what? Someone,
सर यहाँ पर
anyone,
आपने लिखा है, ऊपर में लिखा है जो
हमको
लीस्ट सेट, वो
first मेरे को
लीस्ट
complete
कैपिटल है
करने दो.
सर.
Hello. First let me complete, then you question. Okay. Okay. What is the array list? So array list. Anyone tell me what is the array list?
Sir, array list
See,
is
I
a
am not going
class.
so much detail right now. I have to. List
Sir,
is
I'm
a
telling
class.
sir.
I'm not.
Array list is a class which implements list interface, which implements list interface.
Good. Anyone? तुम जानते हो?
And
Anyone
sir,
from
वो
other team?
वो list
They
वो
can.
L कैपिटल है, L कैपिटल है, S कैपिटल है, Q कैपिटल है, क्योंकि वो सब इंटरफेस है, and interface name should be start with capital letter.
हो गया. मैं अभी थ्योरी दे रहा हूँ, just only theory. I'm not doing programming, so I'm not doing anything like capital small. Theory में भी apply होता है क्या? You are writing theory, then list will be capital, will write.
Yes sir, theory में क्योंकि हम लोग
नहीं होता है भाई.
मतलब स्टैंडर्ड फॉलो करते
Theory
हैं,
में
जावा का स्टैंडर्ड फॉलो
just
करते हैं हम लोग.
okay, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. तुम जो
सर
बोले
हम लोग जहाँ में
okay.
लिखेंगे, अगर मतलब पता कैसे चलेगा कोई क्लास है,
तुम्हारा
कहाँ
नाम
मेथड है?
शायद, देखो मेरे को क्लास पहले कंप्लीट करने दो. लेट डोंट डिस्टर्ब. योर नाम इज श्रीतम ना? योर श्रीतम. हेलो.
यस सर, आई एम श्रीतम सर.
पता है. So please unmute yourself for right now who are very new. Let them complete. I will come to you. You know I that. So Java array list is basically Java array list, something like that. Why array list is come? First question is that we have the array. So why array list is come? Because array list is giving the dynamic. Dynamic means what? Like something. If I define array in Java, so it is something like fixed size, fixed, we cannot change. But in the array list, something feature like is coming, because we have some dynamic size. We can add dynamic because there is like adding of data, removing operation, add operation. There's basically 4 type operation of array list: add, access, remove, and set. So these are the 4 operations. That's why array list is come under the collection. So basically, like array is the fixed array list. Array is fixed, while array list is very dynamic. That's why it comes into the picture. So let me first code one programming, then I will come to the definition. Like I am creating one class example, and I am putting one public static void main. And like something. Me, like I'm creating the array list object, because it is a class, so we need to like array list object. I'm creating array list is something. Don't go
Code
on
lock
syntax
is
right
one
now. Don't go syntax. I'm not considering on like object and new array list. And I'm just putting, and after that obj we have to just need to add operation. Like I'm adding some object, like if it is Java, because it is string I'm taking, that's why I'm adding obj dot add like chp CSC, and one more I'm adding like computer. And basically I'm just doing a simple program right now. System.out.println. Oh no, system.out.println should be inside. and I'm putting that obj. So putting the obj. So basically, it is a very simple architecture. There may be some syntax might be like array list. So this is the declaration of array list, and I am adding the object. And because it is a string type, so I am adding only Java, and it is inside the colon bracket and CSC and computer. It might be it might be like it will be the string also. So it is the enumeration type. So what is a string? I can put here a string also. So when I will put a string, so it will add the string object, not like a string int object. Like suppose that same program I am doing, and I am putting here int. And I am putting here int. Integer is there. Then it will be take like object of not in the column that I am putting. So for your best understanding, this program is not in the obj. Put obj1.
Sir, I capital so.
obj1 dot add. I am putting big. So basically, what I can understand. So what I can understand that string and integer. So basically, we are adding two types of object. So earlier, why it is we have that like output will come like that. If you put the output like Java, comma CSC, I'm putting object only one and computer like that object. So earlier we have the same feature of array also. We declare array and we are getting simple printing the array using the for loop we can also get. So why these things are coming? Because array list is giving some extra features of the, like we can remove operation is also there. We can remove the array list. We can, there is like suppose we have another program. These are not even in the array, simple array. That's why the array list is come. Like again, I'm putting one class like example. So basically, this is one more class I'm putting. Let me see what are the methods of array list. Then I will come to code. So array list basically we have add operation, set, and remove, and one more is there, set, add, remove. These are the basically three, and one more operation I'm not remembering right now. Let me remember.
Sir, size करके एक method है. Int size which return type is int.
No, size is not. Size is different one. I will not go to size.
Sir, array list का method है कि method है size करके.
Yes, मैं जान रहा हूँ. Size है, colon है. लेकिन basically वो मैं programming structure से उसको ज़्यादा मैं नहीं ले रहा हूँ. मैं इसको एक है तुम्हारा change एक है. I know.
Change है. array list में change एक method है सर.
Change करना है तो मैं दिखाता हूँ. Change in the sense like we have added the object. Now we have to change this object. Like I'm doing the program. Change is coming under the set operation. Opening example one by one.
सर array list में एक clone भी होता है ना सर, clone method वगैरह होता है.
Clone later we will come. Clone and size, sort, contain, these all are
clone method सर तो वो object class में रहता है.
See, these are basically we generally don't do in. Basically, I am studying in the programmatical structure. I go to clone, sort, size, it will later I will go through that. Clone उसमें अभी नहीं जाएंगे, ठीक है?
And sir,
जो मैं मेरा मेन
sir,
कंटेंट है प्रोग्राम का, उस पे हम ज्यादा गौर कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग जब प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे, देखो 2 मिनट रुक जाओ, जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो माइक म्यूट, रिकॉर्डिंग चल रहा है, दैट्स so basically this is why what I am teaching, because whenever you will do the program, okay, in your project, so project wise I am teaching. And if I go to more methods are, yeah, array list is a huge method, okay, 12 colon, size, sort, so these are basically we don't use in our program. So what are the basically use? We need to create the object of array who are very new here. I know here the some person they know and they are just here giving, that is okay. But here is the new candidate also, they must know what is why array list, why collection, and why array is also there, why array list is coming. So array list coming because of that it is giving some extra features, because that is not available in the array. And the array list, like something like we have the add operation is there, set operation, remove operation. So this we are not at the array. So that's I am teaching first. Then I will come to one by one. Okay, don't be hurry.
okay sir,
One class is not enough to.
सर आपने जो बोला चेंज मेथड, वो चेंज मेथड आर लिस्ट में अंदर नहीं है सर।
अरे भैया मैं सेट को चेंज में बता रहा हूँ, सेट करेंगे तो वो जो ऑब्जेक्ट मैंने ऐड किया है CSV, उसको मैं 2 कॉमा करके उसको चेंज करूँगा, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग सेट एज अ चेंज। ओके, देखो मैं so basically I am creating the object of array list.
सर मेरा एक डाउट है, मैं पूछ सकता हूँ सर?
नहीं अभी मत, रुको मेरे को पहले करने दो।
ओके ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
So what I am going to see one set. Set is like I have this making the same object. I don't want to use time to do it. And right now one set operation I am. So suppose I am clicking obj set. So set operation. So which one I want to set, that I am telling the change. So index wise I am going to change, like first one is Java CSC computer. So I want to change CSC. So I want to put 2 comma. I am putting like here CSC like whatever I can put my name. So here I am putting obj. So here what I can say, whatever the exact content earlier, right now I am going to change one. So I am putting before obj, now after obj. So here 2 types of, like again I am printing. So here 2 types. Before going to set, that I am telling change, that's what told me again. Set is change is not there. The change is that I am changing the CSC into something. Before that it was Java CSC computer, but right now it is going to, when I put it to the second number operation. So in this operation it is going to change. So it will be like Java, it will go to Sandeep and computer. So that is the set operation that I want to say. Okay, what was the question? Can you tell me? Bolo, bolo. Hello. क्या क्वेश्चन है बोलो भाई? I'm audible, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
कहाँ गया? So basically this is all about the array list. So in my live programming, what I can do in my Astra Scientific project, I have done the same thing by using the array list, and I was adding the element and I was doing the changes. So that's I am doing the all about the array list. So what is the array list and what is the, there is a vector also. So one more thing, vector is also. So array list and vector is same, but there is a huge difference between the array list and vector. So why vector is coming? One vector is there. So it is similar of array list. It is also extending the बीच में टोका टोकी से ना छोड़ लेता है थोड़ा सा. Array list is generally implements list and it extends abstract list. So these things you have to remember. ये interview में many times the question arises. Array list can contain duplicate elements. Many times they ask in interview, the array list contain a duplicate element, so array list can contain the duplicate. But what is the main reason why? One more thing, that is vector. Vector is same as array list, but vector is a huge difference. I will come to that. It is similar. Array list and vector both implement same list. They have extend the abstract list. So abstract list, one more person tell me what is abstract list. This is also the same. Right now I'm doing the same program. Just we need to change array list to abstract list. These all are comes under the list first. Here is the just a change of syntax. So this is the abstract list. By changing the syntax, I am getting same. So abstract list. So basically, we need to just remember what are the things of array list. So array list are basically why it is come, because it is dynamic. Here's a lot of method like set operation, remove operation, add operation, and that's why it's come to picture. And it is a part of the collection, and it is array list implements the list and extend the abstract list. Array list can contain the duplicate element. So these are the features that we have to know in the array list. There's nothing like that. And the array list, there is one more thing that is coming, iterator. Iterator is also there. So whenever I come to the collection, we must know one more thing, iterator. Why iterator is coming? Iterator is generally basically it is coming for definition. For whatever the collection object you have to just you need to extend. Like I have that one collection object, and I am giving the definition of iterator. So iterator is a class or interface. So it is a basically iterator is an interface, okay, available in the collection framework. So everyone know. See, these are the coming the interview question. Array list is a class, list is an interface, abstract list is a class. But when we to come to iterator is interface. So who are the very new, they are very much confused about what is interface, sir. I don't know what is interface, what is going on, what is class is there. Yeah, basically this is a very advanced class, so you may be confused about the interface and class. But sometimes if I will take the core Java class, there I will say what is interface. Interface, there the abstract class is there. It is implemented by the some other child class, like that things. So interface generally took the some definition, and we are implementing that definition inside the class. But class as the simple, we don't have any. So like abstract, I have putting abstract class. So here I am taking the abstract class object, and by making the object, I am adding what are the methods inside the object. Add operation is there, set operation, and remove operation. So these are the operations that I am doing. So this is all about the array list. And one more thing, iterator. Let me say iterator. So there is a two type of iterator. I
Hello,
don't know
sir.
you guys. हाँ बोलो.
सर हम लोग सर यहाँ पर स्ट्रिंग क्यों ले रहे हैं सर? मतलब जो array list है,
String.
मतलब जो वो स्ट्रिंग क्यों ले रहे हैं सर?
स्ट्रिंग देखो, मैंने अभी ऑब्जेक्ट में क्या ऐड किया है, जावा. See, here I am adding Java. So Java is a string, na? It is not a int. If
Hmm.
I took int, then I will take the same primitive data type. Like if I put here int also. So that time I have to add 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here in this example, I have took the integer. Array list add the integer and I have printed the 3.
सर अगर हम लोग if you are not using any type of generic here, so the if you add the same value, if you add both string and integer, though it will take over, sir. मतलब
You are
हम लोग अगर
see.
ओके
बोलो.
हम लोग अगर एलिस के जैसे हम लोग जेनेरिक दे रहे स्ट्रिंग दे रहे हैं ना, तो अगर हम लोग कुछ नहीं देते सिर्फ ऐसे नॉर्मली लिखते हैं तो वो क्या वैल्यू लेगा? मतलब ये तो पहले होता
मतलब
था।
क्या
मतलब
मतलब क्या लिखोगे? मतलब कुछ नहीं लिखोगे, कुछ भी वहां नहीं लिखोगे। मतलब बोलना क्या चाह रहे हो? यहाँ
मतलब
स्ट्रिंग लिखेंगे तो स्ट्रिंग लेगा, इंटीजर लिखेंगे तो इंटीजर लेगा। तुम क्या लिखना?
लिखते सर।
क्या लिखोगे?
सर अगर दोनों ही नहीं लिखते, क्योंकि हम लोग का जो सर जेनेरिक वर्जन कौन सा वर्जन से आया सर?
वर्जन नहीं समझा, कौन सा वर्जन? नाम बोलो
नहीं
भाई, पहले
सर,
अपना
मैं
नाम बोलो,
सौरभ
नाम
शर्मा।
बोलो।
सौरभ
हाँ
शर्मा
सर।
सर। सौरभ शर्मा, तो मैं बता रहा हूँ, हम लोग जो जेनेरिक है ये तो पहले यूज नहीं किया जाता था, बहुत पहले। जेडीके, जैसे जेडीके हम लोग यूज करते थे, बहुत पहले तो ये जेनेरिक नहीं था। तो अभी जेनेरिक जेनेरिक जो यूज किया जाता है कि हम लोग उससे पहले, जैसे अभी जेनेरिक आ गया, जेनेरिक से पहले हम लोग के दोनों वैल्यू एक साथ यूज कर सकते थे। मतलब अगर हम लिखते थे ओबीजे डॉट एड, अगर हम लोग वन लिखते थे, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट हम लोग लिखेंगे ओबीजे डॉट एड डॉट जावा, अगर जावा, तो दोनों एक साथ ऐड होगा सर? मतलब वन और जावा एक साथ होगा?
No. For example, I am showing that here array list as a string, because a string and integer. I in a one example I am. That's why I am putting that. Okay.
अच्छा।
For example purpose, don't go here. Lot of things. If I go to the programming direct, so I have to change. Okay, don't go syntax. Here I am saying don't go syntax wise. Just understood the concept. What is the concept? Add operation is there, remove operation there, set operation there. These are the concepts. Okay, if you know that is okay, you can question. Yeah, but here are the some person who are very new. So I am teaching from the basic level. I can go upper. That is not one. Yeah, here integer is string. Both I have shown in the same program, because I want to show you can add integer also. You can add a string also. But when you are doing a string, you cannot, like in this program. Here is a string, and you are adding obj.add 1, 2, 3. It will going to error.
सर
Enumeration
एरर
data
देगा?
type, because you are your
सर एरर देगा?
integer तुम define करोगे और 1, 2 add करोगे तो error नहीं आएगा?
नो सर, नहीं एरर आएगा
Integer नहीं,
सर।
error आ
यहाँ
सकता
पर
है
हम
क्यों
लोग
नहीं? Because
नहीं,
our
हम लोग सर अगर हम लोग यहाँ पर जेनेरिक को हटा देते हैं, स्ट्रिंग को, तो हम लोग obj.r के जगह जावा ले सकते हैं, उसके बाद 1 ले सकते हैं, 1.2 ले सकते हैं, कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि array लिस्ट
क्या
है
हटा
वो एक
दोगे?
ऑब्जेक्ट स्टोरेज। सर हम लोग यहाँ पर
क्या
अगर
हटा दोगे मतलब?
जेनेरिक हटा देंगे तो सर, तो ऐसा हो सकता है, एरर नहीं आएगा वो। एरर नहीं
जेनरिक हटा देंगे तब ना। जेनरिक
यस सर।
हटाया नहीं रहे, जब तुम जेनरिक हटा दोगे तब। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू हैव, वो मैंने नहीं बोला जेनरिक हटाने के लिए। सो rest of the things. Now iterator में generally why iterator we are using? Iterator का basically definition यही है, it is an interface, and why it is traverse the collection. Traverse means what? Whatever the object we have added, it can be printed using the, here's a for method of iterator is there. Has next is there, next and remove operation, and for each there. So basically I will not go detail of each and every one. Just I will put some definition here, like I'm just showing one by one. Traverse the collection and available in the Java collection framework. It is also part of Java collection framework. And one more thing. Collection is a huge concept here, I know. I am also know. And what are the operations in iterators? Is the operation. Operation of iterators are generally we have has next boolean. So next has next boolean is there. Don't consult this, bro, because I am teaching. As next boolean, generally what it will return? It will return something true false, because boolean also always return true false. So boolean data type true false. So what it will true false? True false something like if you have the element, then it will true. If you have don't have the element, like you don't adding any element, then it will there is no any element, so it is a false. So true false statement is there. One is next operation, that is there any element that it will print?
Yes, sir.
बोलो भाई. And one remove. बोलो भाई.
सर मैं जरा लंच करके आ जाऊँ.
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
थोड़ा सा लंच करके आ जाऊँ मैं.
तुम्हारा आवाज सही से नहीं आ रहा है.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you repeat once? आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. Your sound is not coming properly.
सर मैं लंच करके आ जाऊँ. लंच करने हुआ मेरा.
अच्छा लंच करने जा रहे हो?
हाँ.
हाँ जाओ जाओ. लंच एक लंच थोड़ा लेके आया करो यार. यहीं पे लंच कर लोगे तो क्या होगा?
ठीक है सर, मैं 5-10 मिनट
क्लास
में आ
सुन
जाऊँ.
जाएंगे. तुम्हारा नाम अनिर्बन है ना?
हाँ सर, हाँ सर. मैं 10-10 मिनट में आ जाऊँ. ठीक है सर.
गुड गुड गुड. सुनो अनिर्बन
हाँ
वन
सर.
थिंग.
हाँ.
As per my talk with Alok sir and Sunish sir, what I want to understood from you that you are very much new and very low concept is there. Okay, so you are which project you are right now?
Professional tutor sir.
Professional tutor. See, you maybe face the issue. Okay, because here is a huge thing. Here maybe the 4 types of students are there. Generally, basically we have who are very smart, we are very intelligent, mediocre. So who are very smart, nothing to fear. Who are very intelligent, nothing to fear. Everyone is equal. Okay. So what I can understood you, if you have any issue, like you are doing coding and you are facing issue,
Yes, sir.
so at that time, just call me. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I am also learning. Yeah, I am also learning. I don't have such experience like, I recently I placed in TCS, but earlier I was working in everywhere, like you guys. Okay, so
Can
I
you
am
give your
also
phone number,
learning.
sir?
Yes, I will put the phone number. You have any help, you can come. Okay, I have definitely whatever I know, I will suggest, and you believe on me. I have definitely know I have so many client projects right now. I'm working. I'm
Okay, sir.
also leading your team.
Okay, sir.
So don't fear about this things. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe you are not
Sir,
not getting the point.
Actually not getting the right confidence actually, sir. Confidence
What-
level is low, sir.
What is low here?
Sir, confidence level is low.
यार no, it is not a big matter. Confidence level is no. You are your level is up. Okay, you need only grooming. Grooming means what? Coding. You do coding. Yeah, wrong, white coding have to do. Don't bother about they are very intelligent. They are actually idiot. Okay, don't bother about that they are intelligent. Don't think. Okay, just coding and focus on yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I was also like you at that time when I joined PCS Global. But right now, what I am doing, that is unbelievable. I'm just doing myself. And who are very new, they maybe very what is going on. Yeah, sometimes 1, 2, 3 day will take, but you will can recover. Okay. So Anirban, I will focus on you because I get recommendation from Sunish sir that I
Yes,
have
sir.
to focus. So after classes, I have what I want to say here. There is a lot of students who are very new. Let me check.
Yes, sir.
So they might be like here tapas and all. Manisha Maji is there. Manisha Maji not there. Mustafizur Rahman, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Mustafizur. Why Manisha
Yes, sir, yes,
Maji
sir.
is not Manisha is there? Kundan,
Yes, sir.
Kundan,
मालूम नहीं सर.
where is Paulimi Samanta?
सर मेरा यह मतलब मैं घर में नहीं हूँ तो इधर नेटवर्क का सब प्रॉब्लम है, इसलिए बार बार रिमूव हो जा रहा हूँ मीटिंग से, फिर ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ फिर रिमूव हो जा रहा हूँ.
ठीक है, मैं ज्यादा देर ये नहीं लूंगा, मैं इसके बाद थोड़ा सा XML दिखा के फिर इसके बाद मैं तुम लोगों को इसमें ज्यादा देर
मतलब
डालूंगा,
नेटवर्क इशू
क्योंकि
है
आज
समय.
फर्स्ट क्लास है. मैं भी कलेक्शन में what I know I am giving. Later I will also take the more classes on collection. It is just a starting
Okay, sir.
session. Okay. So if
Okay.
you have any issue, let me complete. It will more 10-20 minutes. I will take more in the collection. Then I will come to XML and annotation part. Because here are the very new candidate are there. I cannot continue like that. They will become hyper. What is going on? So I will come back to normal process like what is web XML, and I will show my some product architecture so that
Okay,
they
sir.
will get the confidence. Okay. So
Okay.
thank you. So list iterator, what I am doing. List iterator is generally we are doing in the previous. It is a previous order traversing. Previous order means what? What I want to say here, previous order. Iterator is generally there is nothing. So here is traverse means what? What is traverse? What traverse is? Traverse is generally whatever the object you have created of the collection. Array list is a part of collection. Abstract list is a part of collection. Linked list is a part of collection. So whatever the object you have created during the collection. So after object creation, you are doing some addition of element. So addition of element, change of element, remove of element. So that terminology I was telling, change of element, add of element. So these are after adding, making the object. So what you want to say, you have to print, like I have only used system.out.println to print the object. But here is one more operation, that is iterator. Iterator basically it is also taking part to print the elements. List iterator is also there. List iterator basically we use for the printing the previous order, like I am doing one program first, then you will understand. अच्छा अनिर्बन अपना माइक म्यूट कर लेना भाई. So I am again creating array list. I don't want to copy paste. So here is the abstract list. And array list. So here I am adding the object, and after adding the object, I have to do some iterator operation. So let me show what are the iterator. So before iterator operation, what we need to go list iterator. So we need to create the first object of the list iterator. See guys, the syntax might be a different. Don't bother about this thing. This iterator, I am taking one iterator object first. And after that iterator object, I have that obj dot illustrator. And put in that column. So list iterator. So there is the two operation while loop I am putting while loop who are very new while loop for while loop. So in the while loop I am putting just object itr. This is object not as next. So has next operation I am doing, and I am putting SOP system.out.println. I am putting the iterator. So SOP is there. So in this SOP operation, the normal operation will go on, but here I am putting one reverse. While dot, but in this time I am putting here. Itr dot h previous order. So after previous order, here is also I am putting SOP. So inside that println you have the. So basically one rough programming I have done for iterator. So what it will do, the first one has next, but the next one is the previous order. So list iterator has something like that. Iterator has the same feature, like iterator has next is there, they can print easily object whatever that, but list iterator something like it will print first one will print like I'm giving the output like Java, comma, CSC, comma, computer. This is the first one, but one here second one will be computer and CSC and Java. So this is the second one. So iterator and list iterator, main difference is that the list iterator has the one more feature of the previous order traversing. That's why using the list iterator. But it's generally in our basic programming structure, whatever the project we are doing, there is nothing required like list iterator. For concept, I have shown that there is some has previous order method is there to show the whatever the object in the backward operation. But the iterator has the same, they can has next, they can print whatever the object of the collection object that you have add that can be printable. So this is all about the iterator and list iterator, and this iterator is applicable. This is the iterator is the interface. First of all, mind it, iterator is the interface, and why iterator is used in the collection to traverse the collection and whatever it is available in the framework, and it has some operation has next, and there is something like remove operation is also there, so we can remove the object also. So this is all about right now things. So and one more thing in the something like that here I have shown, I have started because earlier it was a huge of question was putting on me, that's why I missed this thing, the points. What is the basic difference between the list and arrays? The list is the basic difference you must know. Anyone tell what is the basic difference between the list and array list? Like Anirban, you are there. Anirban or Manisha Maji, you can unmute your mic. Manisha Maji, are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm there, sir.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
What is the basic difference between the list and array list? You guys can tell because you are very much. बोल लिस्ट और array list में क्या अंतर है?
The list can contain duplicate address as well as real items. Array list contain only duplicate items.
That is different. Duplicating you don't go there. First come to architecture wise. I am saying like first basic difference is there na. This is an interface. I am yeah. In the upper you can say interfaces are there. Here I put it list, set, queue, DQ, sorted set, map, sorted map, enumeration. But in the core collection classes, the classes are abstract classes, abstract list, and you can say there is array list. That is the basic difference is that list is the interface. while array list is a collection. Array list
List is a collection.
is a collection. It is a class. You can say it is a class of collection frame.
Collection.
And list is extant. One more definition. One is
List can expand, array list can
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
the list can expand, array list can expand as well as shrink to its original size.
नहीं समझा, फिर से बोलो एक बार.
The list can expand, but array list can expand as well as shrink in size.
Your voice breaking. I understand what you are saying. I am not understanding. You can chat in the textbook.
Okay.
Right. Okay. One more difference. List extend the collection framework, while array list extend the abstract list and implements the list interface. So one thing. See why extend keyword is coming. Array list abstract is what I was here. Yeah. And list extend the collection frame. Fine. Array list.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
So these are the basic two different. For your interview purpose, you can if you are going and you can note it down. This is also recorded, but here any confusion you have the basic two difference. Whatever you are getting, just point wise. Don't use and describe and nothing yet. List is the interface. Array list was is a class of collection framework. List extend the collection framework, but the array list extend the abstract list, but it implement this. It is the interface like array list. List. That is,
array list which class of
हाँ बोलो बोलो. Array list
list textual
क्या नहीं समझा ठीक से बोलो.
List is
Okay,
extension.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, abstract list.
So I have written in the chat box there.
What you have put it, let me check. Google will the come भाई. List is only growable, whereas array list is growable as well as the string to its size. That is also okay, na? That is okay. String means what? You can in array list you can remove operation. It is very much some methods that are. That's why I'm telling you that the array list there is a 4 type of operation: remove operation, add operation, and also that one more operation that is set operation that I was change operation. Set operation. Whatever telling that is also okay. See, if you go to Google, you can get lot of things, and you can comment here lot of things. So basically, here I am not here for like take competition. I am here only who are very new. They can get what is array list, what is array, what are the operation of array list, what is list. List is an interface or a class. Even before that, many of you don't aware about list is interface or class. Right now they are aware that list is an interface, while array list is a class. Abstract list is something like it is also class. So class can extend a class. Why not? Array list is a class and abstract is a class. Yes, बोलो.
सर एक्चुअली मैं थोड़ा सा पुराना कैंडिडेट हूँ क्योंकि मैं
हाँ,
जनवरी से ज्वाइन किया था.
हाँ बोलो.
तो मैं थोड़ा सा जो क्लास किया था उन दूसरों का सुनील सर था मनीष सर का क्लास किया था.
हाँ बोलो बोलो, आगे बोलो, जल्दी बोलो।
हाँ, तो उससे कुछ सीखा सीखा अभी तक मुझे, मतलब ये कलेक्शन फ्रेमवर्क के ऊपर नॉलेज है मेरे को।
ठीक है ठीक है, मनीष का तुमने क्लास किया, मनीष वाज राइट नाउ। मैं भी उसी टाइम पे मैं भी क्लास लेता था, मे बी यू आर अनदर
हाँ
क्लास. So there is nothing like I am teaching robot and they are teaching like technical science. They are basically same. Okay. So your main actual ambition to get the knowledge and
yes sir.
implement your project. That's all. Okay.
Yes sir.
Nothing like they teaches, I teaches. Yeah, everyone will teach. They have the different criteria to teaching. I teaching in the different way. They are teaching in the different way. This is all. Okay. So for today, I don't think I have to go for. I have to go for the annotation and mapping wise because I committed for the yesterday. I told you guys to do the sum operation of. So I am opening my Eclipse first. I will come to my project. What I have done in my project. Why I am teaching this thing. Let I have implemented. Let me open my. So once more, I have to revise this thing. First note of. So what I have teaches today, parallelist and iterator, just basic concept. So I am again revising in the collection framework. The collection framework are basically the combination of classes and interfaces. So inside the interfaces, what are the interfaces we have? We have the 8 types of interfaces. 8 type of interfaces. There's a lot of interfaces are there. We are not much aware. They will not require whatever I put. I will teach those only. So list, set, PQ, queue, sorted map, and enumeration. So list I have teaches what is this, and list is the interface. Now in the core collection classes, there is abstract collection, abstract list, abstract sequential list, linked list, and all about the what you can see. We'll do tree map and hash map. I will come to map and set later. First, in the array list we have something like I have here. So what is the list and array list? I have the difference I have shown. Here these two difference basically asked in the interview. Now come to the array list declaration. I have shown what is how to define array list object and how to add the objects. And after that, I have shown what are the operation inside the array list, like set operation, remove operation. So these two operations I have defined. Now array list, there is something like array list implement the list, extend the abstract list. Array list can contain the duplicate element, duplicacy allowed. And after that, what about array list more I have shown? Yeah, this is all about the array list I have shown. Now come to iterator. I have shown the iterator. Iterator is something like reverse collection. We need to whatever the object we have added, we need to just print through the iterator. Available Java collection framework of the iterator. That's all I've shown. And how to make the iterator object and list iterator. This is also I have shown here by making the program. So you will do the programming and iterator simple as next operation is there, remove operation, and as next boolean. As next boolean generally what it defines, if there is the element inside your collection object, then it will say true, or something like it is not there, then it will say false. This is all about today class. I have shown the array list and small about list. More classes will come for the array list because there is a lot of method also right now. However, like I'm teaching in the next class because I have to took one more session about the web XML right now. By using so there is a more methods of array list. In the next session I will do just our some like size, sort. I am writing that method. Size, sort, clone. Clone method is also there. And is like containers. 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 Spelling mistake, leave it. Containers, each empty, and otherwise index. So these all are the remaining methods. These are basically not used, very less used. That's why I'm put in a different way. And in the next class, I will teach these all methods about the list of the array list method. So one more thing, don't think I have to go to for the next session. So till now we haven't question, guys. Whatever I have put it in front of you. If any question, you can put it down right now. Otherwise, I will move to the web XML portion, how the mapping is going on through action and all. So any question they can ask from team. Array list object creation, if any doubt, object adding any doubt, string, integer, primitive data type, that's all allowed if you have doubt, or the classes interface you can. So you can tell me, otherwise I have to move for the next uh, web XML. So please wait, let me open my clips. Because here are the very new candidate, I have to give them the confidence. They can also do. Who are very new here? Today join like Ranjit and Rajat Gupta, na? Rajat Gupta, are you there? You are new, na?
Yes, sir. I'm new to this class.
So you are basically which stream?
Sir, electrical.
Electrical. So you don't know public static void main also.
Yes, sir.
You know?
Yes, sir. I know the basics of Java.
You know constructor.
Yes, sir. Constructor, destructor, and all that. I know.
Copy constructor.
No, that one I don't know, sir.
Okay. Okay, let me check your knowledge because I have to suppose C1 program I am doing for you. CBC. I'm putting here one. Method and suppose I have class 1 CHI standing ABC. Again, I'm putting 171. So I'm putting one class name. Something like I'm making new. I'm putting here. Is it correct or not? Can you tell? बोलो भाई क्या नाम है रजत?
Yes, sir. Sir, there is no print function, I guess.
I'm making the object of the GHD.
Yes. Object is made.
But I am calling object of the parent function.
No, sir. We cannot do this. You have to call object.
Voice is breaking.
Oh, yes, sir. Hello. Sir, I am audible.
No, your voice is breaking. Your voice breaking.
Yes, sir. Now it is audible. Hello.
No. Manisha.
Yes, sir. Hello. Hello. Sir, I am audible.
बोलो आवाज आ।
हाँ सर, ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट आपने बनाया है सर, देखिए क्लास एबीसी का आपने ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया है, ठीक है, और आपने कॉल किया है इसको सम को।
So basically there is a wrong. I have making
Yes,
the
sir.
object of that class, and that's why I was speaking how much you know. I understood that you know something like class object. So
So classes and method overloading, this one I know.
can I override a static method?
Method overloading. Yes, sir.
No. Can we override a main method?
No, sir, we cannot override.
Method. Why?
The main method is I mean,
Your
that
voice
is
breaking. Voice
sir,
breaking.
there's a network problem, sir.
Main method because we cannot write because there is a static. So we cannot override. So basically, my screen visible, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So who agree you? I'm for them. I'm only teaching. So hello, I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, my net is okay. I have to teach you one because as Sunisa told me that machine setup related issue that I will. I'm repeating. See, basically. So basically, you have to download.
Sir, just you can just share your screen and show us
Sorry.
the download.
Wait.
Yes,
Actually, I was typing. Okay,
sir.
Eclipse version 2019. Okay, MySQL connector. These things are required. 8. MySQL workbench. Next, you have to require complex. Just go over that only. Okay, Rajat. Hello, Rajat.
Yes, sir. So these four I have to download, right?
These four are required generally for your programmable. Okay. So later when we go for the
Is
string,
there,
then
sir, is there anything like Java SE8 or only Java 8 I have to type in Google?
Java 8.
Java 8, okay.
SE for standard edition. Okay. It's coming for standard. But SE or
Sir, can you please tell me what is the difference? I mean, there are a lot of versions like SC, ME, EE. What is all
yeah,
this
yeah,
about?
yeah.
Sir,
Basically,
Sandeep sir.
बोलो
Hello, sir.
बोलो बोलो हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो
Sir,
बोलो I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
हाँ कौन बोल रहा है बोलो. अच्छा बोलो ये for a string purpose. For a string, then we can go to a string ST. Later, it is from marketplace.
So this is for the later part, right?
From marketplace, I am showing your unit. First, Rajat, you download this all. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
And one more thing that I am showing for you. See, this is I have downloaded Eclipse, and I have doing. I am showing my. So it is on inbuilt created project, which is Astro Scientific. This is totally based on the web XML and the Sublet and JSP. So basically, this is a portion web XML. Okay. So in the this term I will understand what is for your mapping purpose. So the first thing is servlet register. Very basic. I'm not going like creating the project and doing anything. I'm just showing because many of you are working on the JSP sublet like Manisha Machi, Kundan Kumar. For their understanding, I'm teaching what is this. This is a register. So you can put any name here. This is basically optional. We can put any name. Any name. You can write your own name, but it must be unique for this. This and this must be same. Optional. These two are very same. Now come to this line. This. See, com.ester.serve. Till it is a package. Till it is a package. And what about this? This is your software. So I am just dividing each and every part. And what about this? This is your JSP action. So this is all about web action. So register and register. Servlet name must be same. If you are putting here register 1 and you are putting register, then it will not getting, it will error. This is the package name. So package name is what? This is package com.ester.serve. And inside that I have that servlet. The servlet name is what? User register servlet. So user register servlet. It's a user register servlet. Simple web architecture. So user register servlet. Inside that, after that user register servlet. So Here it is redirecting on the same any page. User raise JSP. If it is false or the user log. So user raise JSP. See here action. See here user registration. So this action I have put it. User registration. So any question while mapping, guys tell me. Pucho. No, anyone pucho. Manisha, have you understood? Manisha, Kundan, because you guys are working on the internship. So have
Yes,
you understood?
Yes, understood.
Kundan, Mustafizur Rahman,
Yes sir.
समझ में आया मैंने क्या बताया?
सर पूरा नहीं समझ में आया थोड़ा।
आप बोलो कहाँ तुमको मतलब समझ में? प्रोजेक्ट भी सामने है, मैपिंग भी मैंने तुमको सामने दिखाया। ये फॉर्म का एक्शन है। Through that action, when you are submitting, action is heated. Okay. While action is heated, it is going to WebXML, putting the action. According to action, it is getting the sublet class. So sublet class, how will get to the package name? It is getting the package AstraSub. So WebXML go to AstraSub, and after that, searching your sub. So here you have got the AstraSub, and search your sublet name. That dot your sublet name is user registration, and after that your to JSP to backend. Simple. So user registration sublet is there.
And sir, file name is Esther Scientific. What about sir?
Which one?
Sir, what about file name Esther Scientific?
File name is where in the mapping. Where you are telling? Can you tell me?
Yes sir. I say sir, it is a file name. That name is Esther Scientific. What?
This one.
Yes sir. Esther
This is
Scientific.
a project name. This is a project name.
Oh.
This
I
is
think-
project name.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
सर क्या क्या हुआ था थोड़ा सा फिर बोलेंगे? मैं जब की गया था लंच करने।
अच्छा, बेसिकली देखो मैं अभी इन लोगों को अभी एरे लिस्ट बताया, तुम जब तक गए इटरेटर
हाँ,
तक
सर।
था वहां तक तुम समझ गए। इसके बाद
हाँ,
मैं तो बता रहा था जो बजट आया है, बजट को मैं जिस प्रोग्राम लेके चेक किया, उसके बाद क्या क्या इक्लिप्स का वर्जन, माइस्क्यूएल कनेक्टर, व्हाटएवर यू हैव टू डाउनलोड फॉर आवर प्रोग्रामिंग पर्पस सेटअप दैट आई हैव परफॉर्म। और इसके बाद मैं अभी इन लोगों को मैपिंग बता रहा हूँ, बिकॉज देयर इज सम पर्सन हु आर वर्किंग ऑन रिमोट इंटर्न, so mapping concept I am giving web XML, how the sublet JSP connecting to each.
ओके सर।
तो कुंदन तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? कुंदन ये एस्ट्रा साइंटिफिक ये प्रोजेक्ट नेम है और ये तुम्हारा डिस्प्ले नेम मस्ट बी और प्रोजेक्ट नेम एस्ट्रा
अच्छा
साइंटिफिक।
अच्छा। तो सर मुझे लगा कि ये स्मार्ट इंटर्नशिप प्रोजेक्ट है, लेकिन ये
नो
तो
इट इज नॉट स्मार्ट इंटर्न, इट इज एस्ट्रा साइंटिफिक।
ओके ओके।
So this is all about basic structure. Web XML is very simple and very useful. So here are the very new candidate. I am making one project in front of them, new dynamic web project. So whenever demo, I am putting demo. Now see here is something like web module version.
सर
So
लेकिन
here
ये सर एस्टर साइंटिफिक के बारे में नहीं पता ये है क्या एक्चुअली, और इसमें
No,
क्या क्या स्किल्स यूज किया गया है। वेब एक्सएमएल हो गया और जेएसपी सर्वलेट और अदर।
उसमें देखो अभी तुम उस प्रोजेक्ट में हो नहीं, तो इसलिए मैं तुमको केवल के लिए मैंने बता दिया वेब एक्सएमएल क्या क्या होता है। दिस इज ये तुम
ठीक है
समझ
सर,
गए बस।
अभी मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ वेब एक्सएमएल के बारे में।
तो ये समझो ना कि सबलेट नेम सबलेट दोनों सेम होना चाहिए। सबलेट क्लास सबलेट मैपिंग। देखो मैं अभी डिलीट करके तुम लोगों को दिखा। हियर टारगेट रन टाइम Apache Tomcat 9.0 whatever you can say. Dynamic module version, this is your sublet version. Generally we took the 2.5 or 3. हाँ बोलो
सर अड़क क्वेश्चन है, बोला था कि मैं मेरा जो अपाचे टॉमकैट 10 इंस्टॉल किया सर्वर पे लगा हुआ है, तो मैं क्या उससे 9 करूँ डिलीट करके?
10 है तो 9 कर लो ना, मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ बार स्टैंडर्ड वर्जन।
तो क्या मैं
whenever you will do the programming ना, we have to go for our server local to the
तो
hosting
मैं
server।
क्या उसे 10 से 9 कर दूँ उसको डिलीट करके?
हाँ डिलीट कर दो, 9 ले लो।
ओके सर।
और इजी होगा तुम लोगों के लिए, और ये सूटेबल भी है हमारे लिए, बहुत जरूरी है। टॉमकेट 8 ये सब कॉम्बिनेशन, व्हाई आई एम गिविंग द कॉम्बिनेशन बिकॉज इट इज standard for our hosting server, whatever the hosting server we have in our organization that is providing, and that's why I'm telling everyone to download this and do this.
ओके सर।
So this is a simple web project I am creating. I'm not creating like any Spring project. So you have to click here web XML because web XML project. So the list and you need to find out something that is
सर मेरा जो इक्लिप्स में प्रॉब्लम चल रहा था उसमें जेडीके में प्रॉब्लम है सर, और उसको जब मैं सर दूसरा जेडीके जब डाउनलोड किया तो फिर से वो जो पहले वाला है वो डिफॉल्ट में हो गया, वो ही नहीं चेंज हो पा रहा है।
इशू रिजॉल्व हुआ कि
यस सर।
इशू रिजॉल्व हुआ?
नहीं रिजॉल्व हुआ सर, वही कि डिफॉल्ट में वो ऑटोमेटिक ले रहा है।
ठीक है, तो मैं अभी स्क्रीन शेयर करना एक बार शेयर करो तो
फिर से आज मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ खुद से, शायद हो जाना चाहिए।
कितना दिन ट्राई करोगे, जल्दी करो सर, फिर चलाएंगे। अच्छा इशिता खान है जो, इशिता खान, इशिता रावत इज देयर, इशिता खान, उसका भी सिस्टम इशू।
इशिता रावत इज देयर।
आई डोंट नो, इशिता खान इज देयर?
नो सर, इशिता रावत इज देयर।
टाइम क्यों नहीं है? अच्छा कंट्रोलर मॉडल, एक लड़का था श्रीकम बोलकर, अच्छा लेट बी फर्स्ट, अच्छा वी आर गोइंग टू वाइंड अप because it is not going to record, so let me also finish this one.